Rip out the lion's heart with a smile, beautiful child. Stay a while. Put a bathing suit on and watch him bleed. Toronto is a brutal city, a gloriously brutal and thick-headed city of office towers and Chinese barbecue joints. It has 1 million restaurants, 1 million bars, and 1 million ways to pull your guts out when you least expect it. Monkey Grip Miracle on Kensington Avenue by Bejeezeuss. If there is royalty in this city, it's the King of Kensington, a horseshoe, which is something that every time traveler should keep.